Hi guys, welcome back. And now in this video we are going to animate the plane. So for that we need to create a variable of type handler. And we need to create a runnable object. We can instantiate this runnable object inside a constructor. And from here we can call the invalidate system defined method, which is going to call the onDraw method. Now inside the onDraw, the last statement should be handler dot post delete. And here we need to pass two things. First, the runnable object, and second, the delay. For delay, we can create one integer variable. We can make it final. I think it's outside the onDraw. Yes, it is. So now let's run this application. We have a problem over here. Let's see the logcat. Null pointer exception. Yes, so null pointer exception is probably because we have not instantiated the handler object in constructor. Yes, we have not. So now we have. Let's run this application once again. There it is. You can see the animation. Plane is animating from right to left, and you can see the y distance is random. So thanks for watching. In the next video we will create a tank image over here, and on every touch of this tank image a bullet should be fired, and we will try to find the collision detection between the bullet and the plane.